Hi everyone, this is 11th beginner's workout for you. This workout is the same as the advanced workout 5 with modified exercises. So beginners, instead of the 5th advanced workout, you can do this beginner's workout, and the exercises will be the same but modified. 4 different exercises and 4 rounds. So let's do this workout together. So beginners, let's do this workout together. Alternating lunges, 20 reps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Elevated constant push-ups, but your hands are elevated and knees are on the floor. 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plank hops, also elevated with your hands. 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lateral pull downs. Without dumbbell. 10 reps. Okay, this was the first round. We don't need dumbbells. Okay, second one. Lunges. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Push-ups. Plank hops. And lateral pull downs. It was the second round. is the third one. 4, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Push-ups, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plank hops. Okay, and let's do the last round. Two, 4, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Push-ups. One, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Plank hops. And last exercise, and we are done. Okay, beginners, that's it. Don't forget to do a push-up for me. Okay. Now I will a little bit explain the exercises for you. So beginners, this workout is the same as the advanced workout number 5, modified for you. First exercise is alternating lunges. Stand with your feet hip wide apart. Stand with your right leg forward, lower your body towards the floor. Your thigh is parallel to the floor. The leg behind you is fully extended or slightly fully extended. Your knees don't have to, should not undergo to your ankle. Lower your body and step back and stand with your left leg forward, go down and step back, and do it as fast as you can. Okay, the second exercise was closed and elevated push-up. Your knees are on the floor, your hands are on the box, on the step board, close together, and lower your chest toward the box. Your upper arm is close to your upper body, and power up. If you have enough strength, you can do it with feet on the ground. Okay, the third exercise was hand elevated plank hops. Put again your hands on your box, on your step board. Your feet, your body is one straight line. Step behind step with your feet to a push-up position. Your body is one straight line, and jump forward to the box, jump back. If you don't have enough strength, you can step forward with your legs. Okay, try to do this exercise as fast as you can. And the last exercise was lateral pull down. Lie on your box, on your step board. Extend your arm above your head and pull down your hands toward your head. Feel the muscle contraction in your back, in your scapula area. Do it without a weight, only with your arm. If you have enough strength, you can do it, of course, with light weight. So, beginners, this was my next workout for you. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.